Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a couple of videos last week because I've just been so slammed, but we're back into it this week. So I've got an early video. Usually I release one on Tuesday, so I'm going to release one today. I'll probably release another one today as well, a quick one for some friends of mine out there in Texas. You know who you are. So this week, today I want to create a part and add some features to it. So we're going to jump into this next. Stay tuned and we'll be back in a second. Alright, so you can see I've got a part here, so I'm actually going to create a new part. We're actually going to go over to drafting and we'll go new. So I want to show a couple of things of how you can do create a part and quickly put some holes in, because some people don't know how to add the holes linear array or something like that, right? So this is how I go about it. I'm just going to create a shape and we're just going to call this a scrap basket. I'm going to change my pen color here and my line type, right? You can see using shapes, I can do a rectangle, I can do other shapes, but for this one I'm going to do a rectangle or a square with a notch. I'll leave this at 24, 24 and 3 and 3, and you can turn these off so you can get the corners, right? So, or turn them on. So here's my pan. I've got my pan here. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to create a line just to guide me. I'm actually going to come in, do a line, and we'll do a light line here, and this is just for me to reference. So corner to corner, and then I'm going to offset this line. I want to come in half inch right there, just so I know where to place my holes, right? So here is where I can come in and I can select a arc or a hole. I can do full circle, so I've got 0.25 in there, so I'm actually going to go 0.375. Change this back to a solid black line here. So here's my hole. That's the diameter. So now I need to place that. Okay, so where we do that is, well, this is where I do it. I go up to cursor objects and I come over here to step and repeat. So when I'm in step and repeat, I will select, you have different linear, arcs, hollow grid, but I'm going to do a full grid. You do number of, so I'm going to put 12 along this line and 12 along this line, and you can see I've got a pitch of 1.5, so that's going to be my spacing between the holes, and same down here on the second direction, right? So with that, I'm just simply going to hit OK. Oh, you know what, let me go back and I'm going to offset this one ½ inch as well, because that's where I want to stop. So now I've got my grid back again. I'm going to place this hole. If I look up here, it's going to tell me what I really need to do. So grid of cursor object. So okay, select the start point, indicate your first grid or your first direction, then indicate your second direction or your second grid. Boom, there's our holes, right? So we're good to go. I've put those in there, and I can leave this like this if I wanted to, and say, hey, there's my pan, it's all done, we're all good to go. But maybe I just want to take it one step further and I want to have a hole in the center through here, so we can do that as well. I can come in here and I'm just going to say cursor, jump to cursor, I'm going to snap on the center of that, and I'm just going to drag my mouse around these, right? And there's my I've got that on my cursor, and then I'm actually going to paste this. So when I paste it, I can paste it wherever I want to paste it, right? So, but I'm actually going to come in here and go on the location, and I'm going to find the bisection point, right? So that's the section between 2 points. So if I come in here and I select this point and this point, you can see it's placed those holes right there. Okay, now you can see I've still got that grid of holes on my cursor. I can just simply come up here, cancel cursor object, and it's gone. There's my grid of holes, there's my pan, and then maybe I want to come in and add some notch and corner details, inverse fillet, radius 0.062, and we'll put this in here, right, and we'll put this one in this corner. And we'll put this one in this corner. And I really I think it'll be alright. Yep. So there we go. There's our part. There's our sheet metal pan. From here we can go ahead and cut that, or maybe I want to pass it up and create a 3D model and take it into the bending software. Anyway, that's how you do that, friends. I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, there'll be some more videos coming up. Leave comments and questions below, and have a great day. Bye bye.